Hi guys, and welcome back to Bad Attitude C-10.
Hi guys, and first of all, let me apologize for not uploading any videos last week, but I was in a crunch and trying to take care of the title and registration on the Bad Attitude C10 to where I could register for Sick Week 2023, and I had a bunch of hiccups along the way. The good thing is we made it, we're in. The pre-registration started at 9 a.m. and opened to the public at 10 a.m. and they sold out of tickets in 3 minutes. Luckily, I made it, so the Bad Attitude C-10's very first true test and maiden voyage as far as for competition will be Sick Week 2023. This will also be the very first event that I have ever competed in since my accident when I lost my leg. So for those of you who have no clue what Sick Week is, it's actually what is called a drag and drive event. In these events, you don't just build a car or a truck or whatever it may be and take it to the drag strip and try to be the fastest guy on the planet. You actually are building cars that are street legal and can endure street driving. With that being said, I'm not meaning, hey, I'm going to drive around the block or 2 or 3 blocks up the road to take my kid to school in my race car slash street car. I'm talking these cars are traveling for hundreds and thousands of miles in a 5 to 7 day period and then laying passes down at a racetrack at 5 different locations. All while being driven on the street from event to event. No support vehicles, no extra trailer bringing parts for you. You have to haul everything you need and all the supplies and maintenance items with you in the vehicle you intend to race. That being said, let me clarify one thing. You are allowed to pull a single axle trailer up to a 4x8 to carry extra slicks, tires, drag radials, fuel, and stuff like that. It's just nothing can be hauled with you by another vehicle. So as you can see on the screen at this time, it has the event and the locations it will be attending this year for Sick Week 2023 and the dates. And February is just right around the corner, which means we're going to have to get our butts in gear and get this truck finished up. So you can visit Sick Week at Sick the Mag and learn all the rules and regulations and stuff like that for future events. And we will be videoing our attempt at completing Sick Week this upcoming year. And hopefully, if nothing else, we can at least place. So please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks.